Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp messages not sending. To know how to fix WhatsApp messages not sending, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings, and after that, here in this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp. We will click here. And then in this page you will go to force stop. After that you will go to storage, and when you will enter here you will go to clear cache, and then we will click clear data, and that's all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.